Today we're getting our pump on and feeling like a king with the help of our new adjustable workout bench from Kingmazi. It comes shipped to your door with just about everything you need to get in shape. You just need a little motivation. Inside the box, you have your instructions, ankle pads, 2 different weight resistance bands, a toolkit full of all the parts you'll need, an ankle bar, and then your adjustable workout bench. To get started, find an area with enough room to work out and unfold your bench. Insert the rod into the seat to hold that into place. Then put in the rod to lock the middle slot. After, fold down the bar from the back piece and slide it into whichever slot you want. Grab your ankle bar and cap and tighten that down into place. Slide on your ankle pads, and now your workout bench is built. You can use it like this for standard weight workouts, or you can take the resistance bands and connect them on the back loop. This opens up a whole new world of workouts and lets you work different muscles, as the resistance bands are pulling against you. The bands come in 2 different strengths, so use the ones best for your workout. I even found myself combining the 2 and getting some extra resistance for some more intense workouts. Then you can adjust the workout bench to whatever setting you need. This allows you to mix up the workouts and try different things each day. It can support over 650 pounds, so I've been using it as something to stand on and reach higher areas. Now, I don't have any weights, so I work out with what I have. And after I found out how much weight it could hold, I grabbed a stone slab and did some step-ups. I was able to get a full body workout from this, and I didn't need a single weight. But if you have weights, you'll have even more options for workouts. However, even without, you'll find ways to engage all your muscles. I know I'm nice and sore after my workouts this week. Now, in my opinion, the best part is, when you're done, you can fold it up and tuck it away, taking up little space. So get rid of the giant, space-consuming workout machines and free up some space with this awesome adjustable workout bench. Till next time, I'm gonna go get ready for my next workout. See ya!